Welcome to Rail24, your free Indian Railways companion. Tamil Nadu Express 1 to 6 to delayed 29 minutes. Rail24 live map shows exact train position between stations. Train 1 to 6 to 2, Tamil Nadu EXP is 29 minutes behind schedule. It is running between MAS and GDR. Before you leave for the station, check live position and delay trend on Rail24. Rail24 gives you live train tracking on a map, PNR status, chart preparation timing, and live boards for over 7,000 stations. It is completely free, no login required for core features. Open Rail24.in on your phone or get the Android app from Play Store. Save this video and subscribe for daily delay updates, monsoon alerts, and travel tips. Rail24, track smarter, travel calmer.